Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making iCloud the single source of truth. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, turn on Reminders. On your Mac, open System Settings, click your Apple ID, and enable iCloud Reminders. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Apple ID and a stable Wi-Fi network. This reduces sync conflicts. Also, plug the devices into power if you expect many items to sync, so background activity complete. Now force a sync by opening reminders simultaneously on iPhone and Mac. Create a distinct test reminder, include a timestamp or unique phrase, and set a due date so it's easy to spot. Wait a minute, then refresh. Pull down in the iPhone reminders list and click View Refresh or Close/Open Reminders on Mac. This confirms that events propagate if you see the item on both devices and on iCloud. Syncing is working correctly. If not, proceed to the next step. To finish, enable any desired list-specific settings and let the devices sit for a few minutes to finish background syncing. If reminders still do not appear, sign out of iCloud on the problem device and sign back in. This resets the sync token. Make sure both iPhone and Mac run the latest OS and restart them. If issues persist, a single key troubleshooting tip. Verify you have sufficient iCloud storage and that low data mode or VPNs are not blocking iCloud connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.